Yeah, I was working in the yard, actually working on my sprinkler system. I was going to wash up and noticed this thing was leaking. I tried to open it up and the knob just fell off. The screw that connects it had broken. Probably could have fixed it, but I think it was a lot easier just to replace it. I had a spare spigot here. So this is the type of repair you don't really need a plumber for. Unless you have the type that's soldered, then you might want to call one if you don't know how to solder. But this one's an easy fix. You just unscrew it. Make sure it's anchored properly here. And it comes right off. Now the main shut-off valve is right below the spigot here. I turned it off. You do have some excess water coming out there. If this was going to be soldered, you couldn't fix it. You'd have to wait until the water stopped. So you'd have to open some other faucets in your house to make sure everything's drained. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to solder. But here, although the water doesn't matter, here I just took some Teflon tape, wrapped it around about 4 to 6 times. And I like to use both. I like to use Teflon tape and pipe compound or pipe dope sealant. I just find that it makes the seal better. I've tried one or the other. Some just like the pipe compound. Some just like the Teflon tape. There's other plumbers. I'm not a plumber. I DIY, but I watch a lot of plumbing videos, and some of the better plumbers that I've seen, at least based on their videos, use both Teflon tape and pipe dope. I went ahead there and tighten it again. You want to make it sure it's snug, but you don't want to overdo it and break it, because then you'll really be in trouble. This particular one, I decided to go one more turn. And this felt good right here. Don't want to go anymore. That's really good to go here. Let's turn the water on. There, I'm turning it on. The water back on here. The water's in the bottom there. Parallel to the pipe, opens it. Perpendicular to the pipe, it's shut off. And there it is. Check for leaks. This is about an $80 job, so you can save yourself some money if you do it yourself. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.